Hi everybody, it's Amalia from Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia.
Today, I'm going to show you.
The Shabby Critters Stamp and Die of the Month for December. This is an adorable set. I wanted to show you how I basically did the shading, and I'm going to show you how I do some of the fur on this teddy bear. I wanted it to look a little bit more furry, and well, I'll show you how to do that. You're going to need a number 4 brush like I used, some water, your paint palettes. I have a Prang Professional palette, as well as this is a dollar store palette on the left. I used this as well, and that paint palette that I'm showing you just has some of the colors that I had used previously. Again, this is Shabby Critters from Not Too Shabby. It's an adorable set for this season and the seasons to come. I'm going to stamp out the snowman or the snow lady in a non-water soluble stamp ink, which is basically Magenta ink that I used. And the secret here, basically, you can use any blue you have. You just want to water it down a ton. I'm basically painting a C shape, a backwards C, underneath the chin and the side of the face, as well as the other side of the body. And that's how you create the shadow. It's a soft blue, but it looks amazing. I'm going to add some dimension to the top of the bow by just using a darker red in the creases where the lines are, and then I'll use my soft pink to fill it in. Now, I already have my teddy bears already colored in, but I need to experiment and to see how I can add texture to make them look more furry and not flat. I gave the snowman a little bit of dimension with that small shadow. Now I want to give a little dimension to the teddy bears. So I just brush a swatch of the brown color of the teddy bear. I'm drying it, and now I'm just adding some I don't know what this is called. I would call this scrumbling. I'm just doing wavy, squiggly, kind of curly Q lines, maybe zigzaggy lines. And here's what it looks like on the teddy bear. Again, it's like I had too much coffee. I'm just squiggling and scrunching and using the very fine tip of my number 4 brush and just zigzagging and scrumbling and making curly cues sometimes all over the teddy bear to make the fur. If you want to take a look at the video I did for the hop for the Stamp and Die of the Month for the Not Too Shabby shop, just use the hashtag N2S Furry Friends and then the number 2. It's all one continuous word, but with the hashtag N2S Furry Friends, and you'll see not only my project, but all of the other design team members' projects as well. I will leave a coupon code and a link to the Not Too Shabby shop in the description of this video, so you can take a look at the Not Too Shabby shop and use my discount code for an additional 10% off. I think this is a really sweet stamp set, and it comes with images of the snow woman with the heart, teddy bear with a bumblebee and a sign. Also comes with 2 lovebirds with a sign. The sentiments are something like sweet and love and hello, just buzzing by. And you'll also see the sentiment, you melt my heart. I think they're just super sweet, well done images that you could obviously use for Valentine's Day, but you could use for a winter holiday like the snowman. Here's the finished teddy bear. Here's the regular teddy bear the way I did it originally. And I think both look great, but I do love the fur on the teddy bear. Now I want to show you actually how I did the flowers. I colored the base of the image in one color, and then once that dried, I went over it in the same lines as the swirl of the original image. And that's it. Now I'm going to add some definition to the grass of the 2 lovebirds, just so you can see that. I originally painted these in one flat wash of color. Now I'm taking a deeper, darker wash of color and just adding some highlights. Here's the final cards that I made with the images. I only made one furry teddy bear, and I used some of the other images that I had to make some cards. I used a stencil uh, that I had in my stash that ended up breaking, but I know Not Too Shabby has a stencil that you can use to do this gingham pattern. I just used some soft pink. There's the little furry teddy bear who I think is adorable. I used the Hello Sentiment and I made myself some little Valentine's cards. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for stopping by. That's right, leave a comment below and don't forget, thumbs up. It matters. Bye, everybody. Thanks so much.